Hello. Are you ready to unlock your potential and set meaningful goals? You've come to the right place. Our AI-powered app guides you in crafting your SMART goals in 3 easy steps. The initial step involves selecting a category for your goal. We offer 6 diverse categories to aid in structuring your goal. Each category comes with its own set of subcategories. Please note, the list of subcategories is not exhaustive. If you don't find a suitable match, feel free to add one that aligns closely with your goal or simply select other. Our app provides the flexibility to save and edit your goals at your convenience. If you're an existing user, please log in now to ensure your new goal is added to your account. If you're new and crafting your first goal with us, there's no need to log in or create an account unless you wish to edit your goal in the future. We're all about making goal setting as simple and user-friendly as possible. You've now reached the final step. Simply respond to a few questions designed to guide you in formulating your goal the smart way. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with this technique. We've designed this guide to ensure that even those new to goal setting can easily and effortlessly craft their goals in a smart manner. Mark your initial state, which could be 0 or more if you've already made progress towards your goal. Don't forget to acknowledge your strengths and past successes. It might take a moment to recall, but this reflection is invaluable. It will provide the courage, strength, and motivation you need to achieve your new goal with ease. Establishing a realistic time frame is crucial not only for achieving your goal, but also for the 10-step action plan that the AI can create for you later on. This ensures your goal is both attainable and grounded in a practical timeline. That's it. You can now review your goal, print it, or save it as a PDF for future reference. No registration required. Feel free to create another goal following the same steps. There's no limit to the number of goals you can set. Start shaping your future today. Should you wish to edit your goal at a later time, registration is required. Rest assured, registration is always free and allows you to revisit and refine your goals anytime. If you're looking for more, we also offer an additional tool for creating a 10-step action plan. But let's save that for another video. Stay tuned for more insights and tools to help you achieve your goals.